You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to turn off likes and comments on your Facebook profile picture after you post it. After you have uploaded a new profile picture, it creates a post in your timeline. Find that specific post on your timeline. In the top right corner of that post, click or tap the three dots to open the menu. From the menu, select Edit Privacy. A new window will pop up with several options. Next to Who can like and comment on your post, click the drop-down menu, select Only Me. This is the key step that disables the ability for anyone else to react or comment. You can also set this before posting by choosing this audience from the privacy drop-down when you first upload the picture. Click Done to save the change. Now your profile picture will still be visible based on your overall profile picture privacy setting, but the associated post will show no like or comment buttons to your friends. They will see a message saying only me can like and comment. To reverse this later, simply find the post again, edit the privacy, and change the who can like and comment setting back to friends or public. For more simple Facebook privacy tutorials, subscribe to the channel.